Hello everyone. Although students tend to use these terms interchangeably, revising, editing, and proofreading are separate steps in the writing process. In this presentation, I'll define each step and provide a series of questions to help students with knowing what to look for as they work on improving the first drafts of their essays. Let's get started. After finishing the first draft, the next three stages of writing can include revising, editing, and proofreading. Performing all three steps before submitting a final draft will create a stronger essay. First, let's start with definitions. Revising focuses on the overall structure of the essay and its body paragraphs. Editing focuses on formatting, word choices, and sentence structure. And proofreading focuses on typos, spelling, and punctuation errors. When revising, the writer should focus on the big picture questions. Does the introduction set up the essay's topic well? Does the thesis express the essay's main idea in a clear, focused sentence? Do each of the body paragraphs start with a strong topic sentence that expresses the body paragraph's main idea? Do each of the body paragraphs have specific examples or evidence? Do the body paragraphs thoroughly explain how the evidence supports the topic sentence's claim? Are the body paragraphs arranged in a logically coherent structure that guides the reader through the essay's ideas? Does the conclusion provide a strong wrap-up of the essay's main ideas? Does it provide a suggestion or a prediction for the future? When editing, the writer should focus on formatting, word choices, and sentence structure. Does the essay follow the assigned formatting style, like MLA or APA? Do all the word choices in the essay effectively communicate the writer's ideas? Are there any words that are misused, or any that have negative connotative meanings that could cloud the reader's understanding of the essay's ideas? Do they reveal bias on the writer's part? Are the sentences structured well to express their ideas? Are they concise or are they wordy? Do the sentences use active rather than passive voice? Are there a wide variety of sentence structures to avoid a repetitive and monotonous voice, like simple, compound, complex, compound, complex sentences? When proofreading, the writer should focus on typos, misspellings, and punctuation errors. Are there any typos, like capitalization, spelling, punctuation errors, that are a result of mishit keys or tiredness? Are there any words that are spelled correctly according to the spell check, but are not the appropriate or intended word? Double check the accuracy of direct quotes, names, and titles. Commas are difficult for most writers. Double check commas for appropriateness. Are all titles capitalized and punctuated correctly? For instance, quotation marks or italics. Double check works cited and reference entries for accuracy according to whichever formatting style the essay is using. For some tips to help with revising, editing, and proofreading, I suggest the following. Read and reread the assignment's instructions. Are you meeting the instructor's expectations? Are you confused? Have you discussed your confusion with the instructor? Read the essay aloud. Sometimes we can hear problems in our own writing before we can see them. It may feel weird, but it helps. Trust me. Print essays if possible. The light from computer screens strains our eyes, making it more likely for us to miss errors in writing. Read the essay from the bottom up. In other words, read the essay from the last sentence to the first. Doing this breaks up the context around sentences, so it's easier to catch sentences that sound awkward out of context. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.